Hello students, welcome to the maths video class of standard 5. In the previous session, you learned up to the topic meow game. And before proceeding further, let us revise what we did in the previous session. In the previous session, you learned what is multiple. Multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. And every number is a multiple of 1. A number is multiple of itself. In fact, a number is always the first multiple of itself. Example, multiples of 4. So 4, a number that is itself the multiple of 4. And a number has infinite number of multiples. You can find multiples of a number by multiplying the given number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That means table of that number. Multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That means here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and so on. Here multiple of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 and so on. Now proceeding further, here another game is given, dice game. Here you need 2 dice to play this game. So throw 2 dice together. What are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice? Make a 2-digit number using them. So children, you can see as in the picture here 4 and 1. So we can write 41, but if 41 is not coming in any table of 4, 6, 5 and 7, you can use 1 4 14. So 14 is coming in the table of 7. So here you can write 14. If it is a multiple of any of the numbers written next to the circle, you can write it in that circle. Then it is your friend's turn. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds is the winner. So here these 2 friends are playing this game. So here I have 3 and 2 on my dice. If I make 23, it is not the multiple of any of the numbers. So children, here 23 is not coming in the table of 6 or 4 or 5 or 7. It is not coming in any of this table. So it is not the multiple of any of the number. So I will make 32, which is a multiple of 4 and write it in the red circle. So 23 will become 32 and 32 is a multiple of 4. So here she can write 32 and then other friend will take a turn. In this way 10 rounds can be played and the one who can write more numbers in 10 round is the winner. Now children, here common multiples. So let us understand what is common multiples. Then we will solve this question. Here is given common multiples. Common multiples. What are common multiples? The multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are called the common multiples of those numbers. And here is given example, 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 24 is a multiple of 6 because it comes in the table of 6, and 24 is a multiple of 4 also because it comes in the table of 4 also. So we can say 24 is the common multiple of 4 and 6 because 24 is coming in both the table 4 and 6. So 24 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. We can say 24 is common to both the numbers 4 and 6. Just pause the video and you can write in your maths notebook. So let us come to our topic common multiples and solve the question given below. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. This is red circle, and if it is a multiple of 3, here 3, you can write in the red circle. And if it is a multiple of 5, here 5 is given, write it in the blue circle. This is blue circle. So let us first write the multiples of 3, and here we will write the multiples of 5. Here we will write the number of which we are going to write the number of multiples, and here also 5. So here we are going to write the multiples of 3, and here we are going to write the multiples of 5. So let us find out first the multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54. That means here is the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Then here 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36, 3 13s are 39, 3 14s are 42, 3 15s are 45, 3 16s are 48, 3 70s are 51, 3 18s are 54. That means here I have written the numbers which are divisible by 3, and after 54 also we can write more numbers which are divisible by 3, but we have written here up to 54. So 51, 54 and so on. Here I have written the multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. So here it is just like a table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55 and so on. Now here are some numbers which are coming in both the table. As for example, here 3 5s are 15 and here 5 3s are 15. Then 30, 3 10s are 30 and here 5 6s are 30. And 45, 15 3s are 45 and here 9 5s are 45. So these are the number which are common to both the number. So these are called common multiples, and we shall write these common multiples in this portion, that is intersection of 3 and 5. So we will write in this intersection. Here I have written the common multiples of 3 and 5 in this intersection. So 15, 30 and 45. Here I have written in the purple part, so I cut off from this red and blue part, because only one time we can write the multiples here. So common multiples are 15, 30 and 45. Now below this diagram some questions are given. Let us answer the questions. Here some numbers are multiple of both 3 and 5. In the above diagram we have found out 3 common multiples, 15, 30 and 45. So we can say that they are common to both 3 and 5. Think, if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, then will they still be in both the red and the blue circle? And here, which is the smallest among these common multiples? So there were 3 multiples, 15, 30 and 45. Among these 3 multiples, which is the smallest? Yes, obviously 15. So we can write here 15. Now repeat the game using the numbers 2 and 7. Write the common multiples of 2 and 7. So children, let's do this. Let us find out common multiples of 2 and 7. First we have to find out the multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42 and so on. And here multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49 and so on. Now we have to find out which are the numbers coming in both the table, or which are the numbers common to both 2 and 7. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and here 7, 14. So 14 is coming in both the table of 2 and table of 7. So 14, then here 21, then 28. Yes, 28 is coming in both the table. 14 2s are 28 and here 7 4s are 28. Then 32, 34, 36, 42. Yes, 42 is coming in both the table. 7 6 are 42 and here 21 2s are 42. So here we got 3 common multiples, 14, 28, 42. So let us write in this intersection. So here common multiples of 2 and 7 are 14, 28 and 42. These are the common multiples of 2 and 7. Now let's move on to the next page. So as we have done in the previous question, here also we are finding out the common multiples of 4 and 6, 6 and 5, 5 and 4, and then smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. So here I have in the orange part I have written the common multiples of 4 and 6. That means 12. 12 is coming in both the table. 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, 36. Here 4 9s are 36 and here 6 6 are 36, 48, 12 4s are 48, and here in a table of 6, 6 8s are 48. So these are the common multiples of 4 and 6, 12, 24, 36 and 48. And from the 4 and 5 the common multiples are 20, because 20 is coming in the both the table. 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20 and 40. So 4 10s are 40 and here 5 8s are 40. So common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. And here common multiple of 6 and 5 is 30, because this 30 is coming in both the table, 5 and 6. So 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30. And smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5 is 60, because 60 is coming in this 3 table. 15 4s are 60, here 6 10s are 60 and here 12 5s are 60. So 60 is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. So let us answer the question given below. What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? So we have written 30, 30. So answer is 30. Then second, what common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? So here we have written 12, 24, 36 and 48. This is the answer of the second question. Then third, in which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5? So we have written in the gray part. Then fourth, what is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? So smallest common multiples of 4, 6 and 5 is 60. So this is also called LCM, lowest common multiple. Here is the other method to find out smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. So first we have to write 4, 6 and 5. Then we will write 2 here because it is divisible by 2 here. And prime number, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. And 5 we will write as it is because it is not coming in the table of 2. And here 2 1s are 2. 3 as it is, 5 as it is. And now here not any number is divisible by 2. So we will take 3. So here 3, here 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3 and 5 as it is. Now here 1 1 and here 5. So we will take 5. So 5, here 1 1 and here 5 1s are 5. Then to find out smallest common multiple, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 5s are 60. 60 is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. That is here. This both the way we can find out the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. Now let's move on to the next topic. Now here puzzle is given tamarind seeds. Sunita took some tamarind means imli, seeds. She made groups of 5 with them and found that one seed was left over. She tried making groups of 6 and groups of 4. Each time one seed was left over. What is the smallest number of seeds that Sunita had? So here written smallest number of seed. So wherever it is written smallest or shortest number of, then we are supposed to find out LCM of that number. So as we have found out the LCM of 5, 6 and 4 is equal to 60 in the previous question, here with 2 method is equal to 60, but here by grouping the remaining seed will be 1 more than 60. So we have to add 1 to this 60. So 60 plus 1 is equal to 61. Thank you.